Oh, God.
I hit it.
No way, I just hit record.
As soon as I was like,
I no more than hit record and it went freaking wild. My gun is jammed.
That was close.
Oh!
Ow!
Hey, he smoked that joker. Oh my God.
He didn't even get a chance to land.
Hey, my guy showed that to that. Go show it to it. This is definitely not you. All I know is them doves came along and we was like,
Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up.